allegorical description which many ashrams like this Purushottama Yoga, Urdhva Moolamata Shakham. All the roots are up, the branches below. Prior to their food, they recite the whole thing. Someone recites and they listen to it. And then they start eating. Because it gives you a profound picture of your spiritual sadhana. Sadhana, to be dynamic, means your mind must be towards the root of all things. The whole world process is kind of like a big tree. The entire tree has emerged out of the Vedic wisdom. Wisdom is behind all the vitality in the tree, and the juice in the tree comes from the wisdom that Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya. Brahman alone is real. So, that Godward vision, that God must be remembered, the root must be remembered, then everything else will be automatically well sustained.